ChatGPT, Claude, and it has absolutely taken over the market and changed the way businesses work. And today I'm revealing the 7 AI systems for which top businesses are paying thousands of dollars to get ahead of the competition. And this is not the future anymore. This is happening right now. And if you are not building or installing these systems, you are already left behind. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Akash Dubey. I talk about AI and AI automation and how to implement this in the real business. Alright, let's jump straight into the system number 1, client onboarding system. Maybe you're a consultant, agency owner, or a coach maybe. Someone books a calls with you. Now what? You are manually sending them confirmation emails with the meeting URLs, reminders, and writing proposals. And half of the time, they didn't even show up. So you're losing 20 to 30% of the booked meetings to no shows. And you are spending 3 to 4 hours per client just on admin work before you even deliver anything. So what this client onboarding system does, I have attached some GIF type of memes here to get you more clarity about all these things. When someone books a meeting with you, the automated thank you email goes out with the meeting URL and within a second. So when the meeting happens, the system automatically generates a personalized proposal using dynamic variables and send it with the Stripe payment link embedded right there. And after that, it logs everything into the sheet with the client name, meeting status, whether the proposal is awaited or sent. And now you are just show up to the call and deliver your service without taking any headache of the back-end work or hiring a team member for that. After that, let's go for the system number 2, lead reactivation agent. So the problem, you're running an online store, people add stuff to their cart and they are this close to buying the thing. Those customer was interested in your product and then they disappear. Might be they are busy in their work and wanted to think about it, or maybe they forget. So the cart abandon rates are 60 to 80% across e-commerce. So what this lead reactivation agent do, like when someone abandons their cart, that means they just add something into their cart and they are not disappear. This lead reactivation agent will immediately going to call them. Okay, yes, the actual phone call, maybe with the set time limit after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes. So basically this lead reactivation agent is the outbound voice agent which will going to call and talk like a real human. And it will going to ask what happened, answers questions using conversational AI, and also sends offers via WhatsApp API. So let's do math for this thing with taking an example. Let's suppose if you are doing $100,000 a month in sales, so you probably have under $75,000 to $130,000 in abandoned carts, and recovering even 20% of them is $15,000 to $26,000. So this is how lead reactivation agent work. And this is not only for the e-commerce, you can implement any of the services for which you have the old leads, you have the data, you can apply the lead reactivation agent there also. After the third AI system, AI personalization agent. So what's going here? Everyone doing outreach, cold emails, LinkedIn DMs, Instagram DMs, and you know it very well. And that is 99% of them are just a garbage. Like, hey, I have noticed you are in this industry and I do this service and something like that. So instead of getting shocked and love your service, they will going to say, oh, another one, and just ignore your DM and emails. So what this AI personalization agent do? This basically pulls the data from the prospects, LinkedIn plus website. And after that, it will going to analyze recent posts and their recent activity and uses AI with the custom prompts to write genuinely personalized opening messages. And just adding this personalized line in your DM and in your emails, it will going to increase your reply rate, as it will look like that you have typed everything manually for each and every prospect. So if I show you example, look at this and this one. Like, hey, first name, I noticed you work in the industry. And this one, I saw your post about the struggling with Q4 pipeline. That means you have noticed something, you know about them, and I notice your team expanded into enterprise. Here's something that might help. And now they will love to reply you. The fourth AI system, AI voice receptionist. Let's suppose you run an HVAC, maybe a plumbing or kind of car rentals, where people doing call every hour, maybe every minute to you. Here what happens, someone calls you at 2 p.m, maybe you're in the another call, so you just missed that call. And they call to the next company now, just because you couldn't answer the call at the right time. So now to answer the call at the right time, there are two options. The number one, you hire someone to take the call for you all day. But here's the truth, they can only handle only one calls at once. When 3 people are calling continuously, then 2 of them will going to hang up because you are busy with the one person. So here's what this AI voice does. AI answers every call instantly. Let's suppose you are getting the incoming call. Okay, now this AI agent will going to handle the call. So when the lead calls, this AI agent will going to handle the call and give answer to every questions of this lead from this knowledge base of the company, where each and everything is stored about the company in just a PDF format that is called knowledge base. And after that, it will going to qualify the lead. If the leads only want to get answers of some questions, then it will going to give the answers. And if the lead also wants to book an appointment with you, so this is how it will going to qualify it and book the appointment into your calendar. So you're not wasting time on bad leads, on garbage, and it will going to confirm them as well that your appointment is booked at this time. Now let's go for the speed to lead system. Let's suppose you are running paid ads and you are getting ton of leads from there, but you're not available to reply them because you are busy in some work. Maybe you're not replying them at the right time when they are hot. You respond to hour later and they are gone. They bought from someone else, or maybe they are like, I will going to think about that. So speed to lead system is the game changer. What this system going to does that when someone going to fill out the form, or maybe someone will going to text you on WhatsApp as well, So this will going to send a personalized DM to qualify them, and after that send them all the information they need. We'll also going to talk them like a real human in the text and sends them all the information they need, like the program includes pricing, next step, and payment links if they are ready to buy now. So what's happening here? The leads gets everything they need instantly while they are hot. So now they will going to come more towards you. That's why the businesses are implementing this speed to lead system. Now the sixth one, AI sales system, and I'm also selling this service. So what's the problem? B2B companies need a constant flow of qualified leads. If you go with the recruitment agencies, so they need a constant pipeline of hiring managers to place their candidates. And most outbound is garbage, like low quality leads, people who are not your ICP. So what the system does, first of all, it will going to find high qualified leads, then pull out the data from the prospect's LinkedIn website about them, and then uses AI with the custom prompts to write a genuinely personalized emails and sends automatically with the 2-3 follow-ups and reply handling and everything. And what you get, and my client getting, the high quality booked meeting directly into their calendar without doing any manual work. Deal with it, the swag emoji here. So now you're getting high quality booked meetings, the people who care about your offer, people who wants to listen you. So if you're thinking to implement AI in your business, you can book a free discovery call with me. Here's the link I have attached. And now here's the seventh AI system, AI Acknowledge Hub system. Let's suppose you had an employee for your work, maybe you are in car dealers or anything like that. So what's happening here? Your business runs on information like SOPs, client details, pricing sheets, training materials. It's all scattered everywhere. Now your employee needs to find something. Now they are going with all the documents and wasting the entire time, and maybe wasting your time as well to ask all the details. So AI Acknowledge system is a game changer here. What it does, AI creates a vector database of all your SOPs, files, documents, even the Excel sheet, using the embedding that understands the semantic meaning and context of all this information, not just a keyword matching. So here we are using a RAG agent that can search through millions of data points and give you the exact same thing which you want. So here's all your SOPs files in the one place in the form of vector. Let's suppose here's a new employee and he just typed that how do we handle the refunds for clients who just cancel after 30 days, as he's the new here, so he don't know about this. So he just asked to the chatbot or maybe this RAG agent about this, who have all the information. So this RAG agent will going to answer him, as it can search through millions of data and pulls exact same information which you want. So that's how you can implement this system if you are working with the team. Okay, so we have covered the client onboarding system, automation, lead reactivation agent, AI personalization, voice receptionist, speed to lead system, AI sales system, and last one, AI knowledge hub, or you can call it a RAG agent. All these 7 AI systems I covered are not random AI agents and workflows. These are the systems that are actually solving the expensive problems of the businesses that businesses are already paying to solve. So if you're thinking to start an AI automation agency, you can definitely check out these AI systems, and all these 7 systems are here in the PDF format. Go and check out this.